It all started on a Tuesday, a rather normal sort of day. Gromit was reading the newspaper, and I was enjoying a bit of Wensleydale cheese. Suddenly, I had a brainwave. Could we turn just $10 into something more through trading? People say trading is all luck, but I thought it was about skill and a good plan. So we set ourselves a challenge. Start with a tenner and see if we could make it grow. Our goal wasn't to get rich quick, but to see if careful, clever trading could work. We set up our trading headquarters in the living room. Gromit with his ledger, me with my thinking cap, and the tenner between us. Our friends thought we were crackers, but we had patience and plenty of cheese. This was about learning, not gambling. We wanted to prove trading as a craft, not just chance. With Gromit by my side and a tenner on the table, we were ready for adventure. The great trading experiment had begun. It was going to be a cracking adventure. I could just feel it. Every good trader needs a plan, so Gromit and I made one over a cup of tea. First, we'd only trade things we understood, big, familiar companies. If we knew what a company did, we'd have a better shot at guessing if it was doing well. Second, we'd buy when prices were low, like cheese on special, and sell for small, steady profits. No chasing big wins, just little gains again and again. Most important, a safety net. For every trade, we set a stop point to limit losses. If a trade went wrong, we'd get out quickly and protect our tenner. Our rules: trade what you know, buy low, aim for small wins, and always have a safety net. It wasn't fancy, but it was solid. With our blueprint ready, we felt confident. We weren't guessing anymore, we had a system. Now it was time to put our plan to the test. The gears were oiled and we were ready to go. Putting our plan into action was thrilling. Our first trade was in electric cars. We bought at a low weighted and soon made a small profit, 50 cents. Our tenner grew to $10.50. Next, we tried a video game company. This time, the price dropped. Thanks to our safety net, we sold quickly, losing just 40 cents. Our total, 10 or 10. A setback, but not a disaster. We regrouped, had some cheese, and tried again. This time with a coffee shop company. The price climbed, and we made 60 cents. Back up to $10.70, but we learned you don't win every time, but the key is keeping losses small and wins steady. Day after day, we traded. Some wins, some losses. Gromit kept perfect records in his ledger. We made 80 cents on a fizzy drink company, lost 30 on a clothing brand. Slowly, our tenner grew. After a few weeks, we had $30, $40. It wasn't a fortune, but it proved our plan worked. One small trade at a time, we were moving forward. Trading taught us patience above all. At first, I wanted to trade constantly, but Gromit showed me the value of waiting for the right moment. Sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. We learned to accept small losses and move on thanks to our safety net. Every trade became a lesson. Why did we win or lose? What could we do better? We started spotting patterns and got better at finding good opportunities. The biggest challenge was controlling our emotions. Wins made us feel clever, losses made us want to quit. But we learned to stay level-headed. Never let wins go to your head or losses to your heart. Trading is a mental game more than anything else. It's a close shave, not with a razor, but with your own emotions. Keeping a cool head was the key to sticking to our plan. That's how we kept moving forward. After weeks of trading, what did we learn? We started with a tenner and turned it into a bit more. Not millions, but that wasn't the point. Our adventure proved skill matters more than luck. A good plan, discipline, and patience were our real tools. Luck is random, but a plan is something you can count on. The real profit was the knowledge we gained. Success in trading is about small, steady steps, not big leaps. Anyone promising quick riches is selling you the wrong trousers. The real path is slow and steady, but it works. Trading is a matter of loaf and dough. Use your head, stick to your plan, and stay calm. With that, Gromit and I declared our experiment a cracking success. Now how about a nice slice of cheese to celebrate?